Well, hey everybody, I am out once again on the good old Benelli TNT 135. Good old Alice. I'm just out running a quick errand. I got this crazy old dog at the house. His name is Gizmo. And every day at 5 o'clock, he gets a treat. And he knows it. And so he bugs me and bugs me and bugs me until I give him a treat. Well, unfortunately, I ran out. And he keeps looking at me like, what the hell, dude? So I am out on the old Benelli to go and get him his treats. That is one thing that's kind of nice about the old Benelli, is that you can just jump on it real quick and zip up to the store, get what you need, zip on back, and it's real quick, it's real easy, and it's fun. And I'm going to use about, 2 specks of gas doing it. So yeah, I mean, this morning I put in $3 worth of gas to fill it up, and that should last me about 2 weeks. I know there's some guys out there that use the old Benelli as a commuter. I'd be curious to see how that works for you. How far did you commute, and is it comfortable? Is it good? I don't know. I mean, I don't commute. I work out of the house, so my commute is about 10 seconds from my bedroom to my office. So, although my son does commute, it's about a 45-minute commute, 45 minute commute, and he does it on his Grom every day. So I guess that's about the same as riding the old Benelli. There's about 3 car lengths in front of you. That little text message is more important than driving, huh? Wow. Fucking, I'm parking up front. Right in the shade. Alright, let's go in and get some treats. I'll see you in a minute.
A few moments later.
Alright, that was quick. We got him his greenies. He loves these damn things. My dog's like a crack addict for greenies. I probably could have fit him down in my little carrier. Yeah, I got the backpack. Let's throw him in there and go. You also gotta love the minis for their parking ability. I can get away with parking right at the front of the store and not have to worry about it. Let's get the crack to the crackhead. Or the treats to the dog, I don't know, whatever you want to say. He sure acts like a crackhead when it gets time to have a treat. This dude's not even gonna fucking stop. Treats. Boom, 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 boom. Doodly 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 doo. Alright, so we are just about home. We're gonna give the dog his treat. But thanks for watching my 5 minutes worth of trip to get treats. I appreciate it. Uh-oh. What the hell's going on up here? What happened here? Oh, Cruncharoony. Somebody wasn't paying attention. Anyway, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give me a good old thumbs up. Thumbs up for treats. And as always, have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Oh, here's Gizmo getting his treat. All right, buddy. Let's get you in better light. Spin, 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 spin. Good boy. Arr, there you go. And now he'll chow it down like there's no tomorrow. All right, Gizmo, say goodbye. Daddy's too busy.